Hi everyone, my name is Mike Brown and welcome to my course, Monitoring and Event Response on AWS for DevOps Engineers. I am a senior cloud instructor working at Firebrand Training in the UK, specialising in Amazon Web Services. AWS is one of the biggest providers of cloud services today. Most AWS projects include monitoring, logging and automation, so mastering these topics is vital for anyone working in AWS, particularly if you're working in a DevOps team. In this course, we're going to look at monitoring and event response using some key AWS services that you will have access to if you have an AWS account. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include monitoring and event response with CloudWatch, CloudTrail and CloudWatch integration, log management and archiving, automation and self-healing. By the end of this course, you have detailed knowledge of monitoring and event response and understand the key monitoring and event response services that you'll need to master in order to be a valuable member of any DevOps team. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with key AWS services and have an understanding of the AWS DevOps tools. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into AWS topics with courses on infrastructure automation with CloudFormation, continuous delivery of AWS tools, and monitoring and logging in AWS. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about monitoring and event response with the Monitoring and Event Response on AWS for DevOps Engineers course at Pluralsight.